So when I first got sober, that's one of our missions, right? It's part of our steps is to be of service of others. I heard there's no such thing as altruism, right? And I kind of believe in that because although when I do help others, I don't expect anything from them in return, I still get a whole lot, right? Spiritually. What I get in return is seeing them succeed, and that is like the most beautiful blessing that I can get. So that motivates me. And I actually feel like Cypress College chose me, as cheesy as that sounds. Um, the moment I stepped on this campus, I felt like there was an opportunity. I felt this energy of opportunity and inclusiveness that I had not felt in other campuses that I visited. And so it just made me feel welcome. I hadn't not even met anybody yet, um, but it was just the atmosphere, right? And so when I started, I was like, I think this is a place where I belong to stay and graduate from. Well, I got accepted to Cal State Fullerton. I plan on attending in the fall. I'm gonna major in sociology. I want to get to the doctoral level, get my doctorate in education, hopefully work in an institute like this or a community college level, university level. And I want to work in an institution that helps to bring inclusiveness, equity, um, helps students feel heard, seen. A lot of what drives me comes from a higher power. It comes from trying to be a better person, especially for my family, right? My family is one of my biggest motivators, if not the biggest. I want to be the best version of myself for my wife, for my kids. I didn't grow up with a father figure, and I don't want to just be a father figure. I want to be an exceptional father figure. I want to be the best version of what a father can be. And there's no such thing as a perfect parent, but if I could be, I would strive to be that.